Welcome back to the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. Something eating my apples. Look at that in the bed right there. It's bit off, and then now something is eating my apples. We put a solar light in the apple tree, but that ain't gonna do nothing because the solar light was put in last night, and something's eating the apples. Also, the peaches that are falling. I hope it might be a squirrel. I don't know. Now we still have not picked up this branch. Well, no, that's the trash bags. We got sitting there to the front. Look at that. Oh, which how I'm going in the garden. This how I go in the garden, okay? This the tree. This how I go in the garden. It's still holding up, like it healed over and still doing this thing, but I don't know. Ooh, that's how I gotta come in the garden. Terrible. So we came out yesterday, and I hope no spiders get on me. And believe it or not, I know I'm jumping all over the place, but believe it or not, we did trim this tree. And we'll be trimming it again. Terrible. Terrible. Well, that's not it. That's the shade tree that's been in the backyard. But this is almost, it's trying to get up there, but we can't let it get that big. I already had a shade tree. A few of them. Okay. A few that I don't even want. Ooh, they're on the lines. Maybe I can call them to come get this. Because they are. They're all on the lines. Come get this. Because the squirrel's hopping from tree to tree and eating my stuff. Anyway, goodness. Came out. Oh, it's time to go. Nope. No thanks. No. I'm gone. I sure did just do that. It's a group of wasps in the bank. Oh my goodness. I will not be able to get can't get my they playing back there. I'm looking at them. I cannot get my basil. Oh my goodness. They are just back there. Them huge black wasps with the orange on the back. Oh, and they were flying over my head. I need to get my basil. Oh, oh my goodness. It's not one. I don't know how many I just saw. It was more than one. I know it was two for a fact. Oh, come on. Oh, please. It's a nest somewhere. It has to be. For them to be back here like that. Come on. I'm not trying to get stung by anything. Oh, this sucks. This sucks. This is so bad. Oh, come on. Y'all, what in the world? I have on this hat, all right? That ain't enough for no wasps. My skin exposed. Oh my goodness. And they like being over there by the first pink green stalk. And when I came in, I'm talking and I'm like, what am I hearing? I look up and they all right there. What am I supposed to do, y'all? Who gonna come back here and get my basil for me? Huh? And I keep hearing it better not be nothing on me. I'm telling you now. It better not be nothing on me. Oh my goodness. I just want my basil because it's starting to flower. And I don't want it to. But I'm not trying to be stung either. Get out of here. Oh, this is unbelievable. This is my garden, okay? Oh, oh my goodness. I can't. I cannot with this. Look, Gina, you talking about the skunk? I don't know. I think I read. I what was that? Oh, chickens. I think I would rather have the skunk than the wasps, cause he could be in his little corner and I could be in mine. This terrible. Like, share, subscribe, because I'm going in the house, and most importantly, grow. Many blessings.